Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. In this module 2, we will discuss the problem definition and need identification. In module 2, we have 3 subtopics. First is introduction, second is the quality function deployment or QFD, third is product design specification or PDS. Now let us start with a question. Why understanding the problem is very important? First is to translate the customer requirement into a technical description of what he wants or need to be designed. Second is to listen to the voice of customer. And third, poor product definition will lead to all time to market delay, which result costs rise up.
This is the example of why understanding the problem is very important. So as you can see here, there is a 6-figure of swing chair, rope swing chair, and for every person or department has their own definition of swing chair. For example, for the first figure here, as described by the sales, so the swing chair, the rope swing chair have 3 chairs, but let's say for the engineering department, they assume there is a 1 chair, but the rope that they use is 3, maybe for safety reason. And then let's say another one by the manufacturing department. So the swing chair is not a swing chair anymore, because maybe it is more simple to produce the swing chair like this. So this is the reason why understanding the problem is very important. Means for every person or department or individual has their own imagination, has their own idea or thought about that problem. So we must fully understand what is the real problem. How to gather information? So basically, there are 3 basic ways that we can gather information. First is by using the observation through the existing product, and then second is by doing survey, which is well-defined subjects such as redesign or new, and then we can also use the focus group to gather customer ideas for product improvements. But in reality, there is more method that we can gather the information. So given here is the basic ways on how to gather information. So let us think about it. All design problems are poorly defined. So in your opinion, why do all design problems started with the poorly defined? So what is the meaning of poorly defined? Means that the problem is not well defined. So when the problem is not well defined, the problem will be occur, and the problem will rise, will happen until we have finally defined what is the real problem related to that issue. So once we have finally determined and identify what is the real problem, Later, we can uh, we can use the design step in solving that problem. So first thing first, the most important step in design is to understanding what is the real problem.